So, if you need to get your energy up and oxygen into your body, here's a great way to breathe. Stand tall. Let your arms be at your sides and take a big breath in as they rise up high. You can look up and bring your hands together. Exhale, take them out and down. It's as if you were bringing the sun right up into the sky and then clearing all the clouds away on the way down. You can do it slow the way Scott and I are doing it. Or if you want a little more energy, you can start to do it faster. Inhaling, exhaling. You might want to let your arms cross in front of you and notice which one's in front and switch it each time. If you want to bend all the way down, you can do that too. Bending your knees and rising up. Now this time, come up and let your hands come right down to the bottom of your back, right here. Or another way to do it is back of the hands. Now press your hips a little bit forward, squeeze your elbows towards each other, lift your heart and look up. Maybe add a smile. Or even better, take a big breath in and sigh it out. Very good, Scott. You sound great too. One more time. Now keep yourself safe. Don't look down. Just bend your knees. Let your hands release. Now send your hips back and let your head come forward. Hello there.
Hi.
I hope that was helpful.
What's that called?
That is a sun breath and a heart opener. So hopefully you'll feel brighter and more loving all day long.